My name is Gela, and in this video I'm going to share with you super simple technique how we can make beautiful rose from salami by using glass. First slice of salami I place halfway down on the top of my glass. When I place my second slice, I make sure it overlaps my first slice of salami. The same way, I continue creating my petals around the top of glass. Because glass is clear, we can easy to see how our flower will be looks like. And if we don't like something, in a glass will be easy to adjust. After I place upside down my glass, I slightly press it so my petals will be stick to each other better. Visit my website and you can find there much more garnish ideas than on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.